Good morning everyone, this is Aaron at King's Ding Repair. Today I'm going to show you a repair on a rear quarter panel on a 2018 Ford Explorer. There's the dent everyone, it's on the rear quarter passenger side right near the gas door and the rear bumper. How I'm going to gain access to this is not by drilling any holes, but the plastic trim piece that was around the wheel well I took off, and you can see these access holes already here, which will gain me access to the back side, and I will slowly push the dent out to where there's no chance for paint damage or any kind of hole drilling to gain access or lots of disassembly. Stay tuned for the finished results. Okay everyone, this is the Ford Explorer rear quarter panel repair. This is done on site at one of the dealerships I service. Done to almost perfection, I would say. I'd say about 95% of that dent came out pretty darn well. Other than that, I'd say the used car manager will be very happy with this repair.